got stuck out here on River Road, just south of Mickey's adult store, man.
I'll drive.
Is that Abigail?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
hey, sweet. When you're talking about that receptive reality trash, when you talk about hearing things and seeing things of all, man. Oh, it's very bizarre. You see, right when I speak. Shut up. Listen. I have not tripped out like this since I ate that high-powered blotter acid at Bible camp.